You're not listening.
What happened?
You're not listening.
Oops. Oh, you're too close.
You're not listening.
He's not listening to you?
Uh-huh.
What happened?
Yeah.
Yo-Yo, what happened?
You're not listening.
What did Okay.
You're not listening.
What did you do, Jing Jing? Did you bother Yo-Yo? Yo-Yo, come here. Want to say sorry
Sorry.
to Jing Jing? Okay, Jing Jing, go over there and say sorry to Yo-Yo now. Go. I don't care whose fault to say sorry.
Sorry.
What about you, Jing Jing? Go over there.